So, kararating lang natin. And this is the Saipan World Resort. Actually, ang laki as in. So, excited. Tonight. Not tonight. Tomorrow. So, let's go. Yung entrada pa lang everyone para siyang Disneyland, no? Para siyang Disneyland. This is World Disney. I love Saipan. So me and Daddy are here in our Saipan World Resort. Ganyan yung resort nila sa labas. Everyone actually ang ganda. Hayaan muna natin si Daddy dyan. Hello. Talagang ang ganda talaga dito. Lalo na pag mayroon kang mga anak. Dalhin mo dito. Parang Disneyland lang sa labas talaga. Everyone makikita mo talaga. Bukas ang ganda talaga as in. No? So, you can see. So excited for tomorrow. Nandito na kami sa Saipan World. Yung mukha ko dito iba, char. So excited for tomorrow. And I love Saipan. Yeah, let's go. Ang laki talaga, parang Disneyland dito everyone. My God. Talagang maganda dito. Oh, Daddy, chocolate ipay. Haruki ga, daisuki kore. Haruki kore Saipan chocolate, Daddy. Oh, hasta meron din. Hasta meron din.
もうちょっとちっちゃいのがいいんだよな。
Nandito na tayo sa Saipan. Nandito tayo sa Saipan World Resort. Ang buko ko ang gulo-gulo. Na-excite ako everyone dahil this Saipan World Resort is para siyang Disneyland sa labas. Ang ganda sa labas nito. Talagang bukas tingnan natin. So, karating lang namin Daddy. So, ito. So, excited ako bukas. No? Actually, it's already late at midnight. So, pararating lang namin ni Daddy. And this is our room. Sinite. And this is our room. Oh, Daddy, hiro. Kuku. Sugoy. Look at the bottom, everyone. And it's me. So, mayroong mirror dito. Mayroong TV. And this is our... Hey! This is our bed. Daddy, issue ni Niro karane. And here is my makeup table. And you can see... Oh, it's overlooking. And there's... Oh, my... Daddy, sutuwan ang kaswaro di kiru yo. Oh, how excited for tomorrow, everyone. How excited si Mami. Mami, no suitcase. So, naka-shower na ako. And then, need to get ready for bed. And tomorrow, let's go swimming. And Daddy... Good night, everyone.